Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I wanted to show you how to do, I have a beautiful piece of tuna here. I want to show you how to make a little steak out of that. I'm doing two small steaks, like 4 ounces at the first course. I could cut it in half like this, but I like to cut it, to leave it all like that, to get it quite thick like this. And I'm going to put salt, pepper on top of it. That's it. Good amount of pepper. Like, a teaspoon of oil here, that's it. Just enough to wet the top. Like this, like this. And then I have, of course I have a grill outside, but this I have here, and you have to let it heat probably 2-3 minutes, to get it. So here, let's say I put it here to cook. Probably going to cook it longer on one side, like 2-3 minutes, and then turn it upside down. We're going to do a garnish. Here I have asparagus here, which are already peeled. When you peel your asparagus like that, use a vegetable peeler to go against your finger like this. So they're all the peel is around, and then you break it, and at that point, this is as tender as this, So we're going to use that a little bit as a garnish, cut it into pieces like this, and the garnish. Otherwise, I will put a couple of scallions here. I'm going to do a sauce with that. And a little bit of garlic. I have a tiny clove of garlic here, not much. And you want that garlic to be really in a paste. So I'll put the garlic in there, the scallion, and I have some cilantro here that I'm going to cut very coarsely. About 2-3 tablespoons. I will put a good tablespoon of lemon juice in there. And 2 tablespoons of oil at the most, again olive oil. Now this is brown on this side here. I'm going to continue cooking it for like 2-3 minutes on this side, and maybe I will even cover it like this. Now I have my asparagus here, and I'm going to put them around also so that they cook a little bit. I like them crunchy anyway. That cooked 5 minutes, and it's still a bit rare in the center, just the way I like. And it's brown on both sides. As you can see, my asparagus are a bit grilled now. Mixed with the oil. And I like to add my secret ingredient, a couple of tablespoons of V8 here. A spicy V8 at the base of my sauce here. Give it a zip and a special color like this. And this right on top of it. It will be cooked around, rare in the center. That's the way I would like it. So here is our grilled tuna with asparagus and V8. Happy cooking.